Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup Snapchat memories and photos. First, you'll need to open your Snapchat. Now go to your profile by clicking your self-avatar located in the upper left part of the screen. Next, we need to click the settings, that's the gear icon on the upper right part of the screen. Under settings, you need to find memories. When you find memories, then click that. Once you're on this page, under storage, you'll need to select Smart Backup. After that, under Save Destinations, go to Save button, and then select Memories and Camera Roll. Then go back, select Autosave My Story Snaps. And then here, you'll select Autosave to Memories. And that's how you back up Snapchat memories and photos. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!